Hi, my name is Marco Ventura with T1V, and we're at InfoComm India. We're showing a brand new solution that is based on our ThinkHub visual collaboration technology. Now, if you know ThinkHub and you've seen how that works, usually that is working on a large interactive wall, and we're showing it here using a configuration for an immersive environment, where you want to take a lot of different content and you want to create a really immersive space that can show off that content. Now we're showing it off here. What we have is a projection system that is taking the content and wrapping it around using projectors, but everything that I'm going to show you now, you could do very easily. This could be an LED wall, for example. It could be an interactive LED wall. The way we set it up here actually is that we have an interactive LCD screen that's controlling the projection system that's in the room here. So you can see I can interact. We've got some nice immersive content that's showing. I can have a really cool interactive experience that I've got on a website. We could have multiple websites. We have some content that we can arrange. We have an app launcher that can control. You could launch, for example, some Excel spreadsheets, some different applications, video conferencing solutions. All that can be controlled on this panel. And again, we could configure this in a way that would allow to have a user interacting with a touchscreen and/or interacting with the interactive wall in the immersive space, creating a really, really unique, wonderful, rich environment. All from T1V. Go and visit t1v.com to get a little bit more information.